Modern poultry processing starts with efficiency and hygiene. This 6,000 BPH poultry processing line is designed to help poultry plants improve workflow, automation, and food safety. The system includes bird's cage conveyor system, bird's crate washer, water bath stunner, scalding machine, vertical plucker machines, spin chillers, automatic grading and weighing machine, chicken feet processing line, chicken gizzard processing and cleaning line, etc. Every stage is designed for stable operation, efficient processing, and reliable production. W Machinery provides complete poultry processing solutions for modern poultry plants worldwide. W Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.